In this video, I will show you how you can restore deleted messages on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung Messages as your default messaging app instead of the Google Messages, then this process is very simple. First of all, just open Samsung Messages. Now let's set Samsung Messages as the default messaging app. Now from here, if I delete a message from my Samsung phone, just like that, I'll be able to restore the message by simply going back. Now on this page, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the screen, and from this menu, just select Recycle Bin. Now from here, just select the chat from which you want to restore the message, then tap on Edit, and select the message which you want to restore. After that, just tap on Restore, and you will restore the deleted message on your Samsung phone. But the story is a bit different if you use Google Messages instead of Samsung Messages. If I delete any message from Google Messages, I will not be able to restore the message if I go to the bin section, just like that. But if I delete the whole chat, I'll be able to find the chat which I have deleted in the bin section. As you can see, this is the chat which we have deleted. Now just tap on it to select it, then tap on Restore. Now after you do that, you'll restore the chat which we have deleted. Now there is one more thing to keep in mind. Sometimes you might not delete a chat or a message, you might simply archive the message. Now to fix this issue, just tap on the profile icon over here and select Archive. Now just tap and hold on the chat to select it, then tap on the archive icon to unarchive the selected message. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.